Hey BYD lovers, welcome back to BYD Insider, your go-to spot for everything BYD. Today I've got something super slick to show you, the brand new NFC card smart key cover case holder, built just for the BYD Atto 3. If you've got a BYD and you love that smart, seamless vibe, you're going to want to see this. So, let's unbox this beauty. Right out of the box, it feels premium, slim, light and seriously stylish. The material's scratch resistant, so no more worrying about tossing your key into your bag or pocket. And yes, it's lightweight, so you're not adding any extra bulk to your key setup. Now let's get it set up. Step 1, grab your original BYD NFC key card. Just slide it into the case. It fits perfectly, no forcing, no weird gaps. This case is literally designed for the Atto 3, so every little edge lines up just right. With the card in, it's time for the real test. Let's check if NFC still works. Head over to your Atto 3, tap the key near the sensor, and boom. Locks and unlocks instantly. No lag, no hiccups, just smooth, reliable access every single time. I love that this cover doesn't mess with the touchless entry at all. You get all the smart features you expect, plus some sweet protection. And here's a bonus. This NFC case isn't just for the Atto 3. If you own a BYD Dolphin Seal or hand, you're good to go. The same snug fit and instant NFC response. If you're ready to upgrade your key game, check the link in the description. Worldwide shipping is available, so no matter where you are, you can grab one. And hey, if you're into BYD mods gear or just like keeping your ride fresh, I've reviewed over 50 Atto 3 accessories here on BYD Insider. Don't miss out, hit that subscribe button and tap the bell icon so you're always up to date with the latest BYD tips, tricks and reviews. Thanks for tuning in to BYD Insider. I'll catch you in the next one.